In my opinion, one of the failure reason of major transformation programs or initiatives is basically the unavailability or lack of designing the governance structure and culture. We typically tend to assign someone a project and program and we say that it's strategic, it's transformational, it's important, but the environment in which we need to run that program is not built. That's why I focus more on designing the program governance structure and setting up the right culture for it. So if I talk about the parameters of culture, I would say that there are four important cultures that we need to understand. Traditionally, when we become big organization, when we have a stable organization, when we have more certainty, we become more control freak. We become hierarchical organization with every specific department and team and role and responsibilities. But when you are saying that, at the same time I need to build something new, or I need to transform my company, or I need to launch a new product, you cannot use the same hierarchy to do that thing. That is why we need two separate systems together in an organization. One is the most hierarchical system, which is to run the current business, but the second one is the most, you can say, vulnerable, or you can say flat structure, which is going to help me to build something, or you can say the entrepreneurial culture, startup culture within the hierarchy structure, right? In this model, if you need to understand what are the typical structures that we can look for, cultures we can look for are a control culture, collaboration culture, competence culture, and cultivation culture. So let's suppose if your company is going to do a operational excellence program where we want to cut down our costs, increase our quality. So I would say in that scenario, control culture, your control structure or hierarchy will work for you. But let's suppose if you are talking about doing a digital transformation for customer experience, customer journey, customer intimacy, and you are doing this program, then you need to work on collaboration culture, or you need to build a hierarchy in a way that where people are working together. Then if you are working for launching a new product where you are going to dominate the market, here you need to build a competence culture. And finally, let's suppose you are going to disrupt the market, you are going to bring something that has not been done in your industry, then you need to focus on cultivation culture. So you see, that's how you need to design your organization structure for your program. So if you want to understand how exactly, what are the steps that you need to take to build the organization structure and culture for your program so that you can build the future of your organization, then do join our program management with corporate workshop. Thank you.